Hi YouTube, this is Crystal with Digital Diva Design, your personal branding channel. This video is the first in my Design It Like series, where I teach you how to recreate the web pages of some of today's most popular influencers. Today I'm going to show you how to design a cosmetic company homepage like Rihanna's Fenty Beauty using WordPress and Elementor Pro. This video will cover setting up your WordPress pages and using Elementor Pro to create each section of the homepage, including the header, footer, sliders, and product images. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Don't forget to click the bell to receive notifications for my newest content. Okay, so I have Adobe Illustrator open, and I'm going to be using this to create the scroll to top graphic. So in the new document, we're going to set the dimensions 60 pixels by 60 pixels. And now we're going to draw out a shape onto the artboard. So I'm going to go to the rectangle tool and select polygon. And we're going to drag this out from the center. I'm going to switch the fill and the stroke. And now I'm going to my line tool. And I will drag up a line through the center of the polygon. Now I'm going to my line panel and I'm going to pick an arrowhead to add to the line. And oops, it looks like I picked the wrong one, so let me go back and get the right arrowhead and place it right there at the top. Now I'm just going to play around with the stroke a little bit just to get the right width and the right size. That's looking pretty good. I'm just going to align this to the center. Now I'm just playing around with the stroke a little bit and the arrowhead width, just to see what it looks like if I adjust it a bit, but I think I like it the way it was before, so I'm going to leave it the way I had it before. And now I'm just going to save this image as an Illustrator file. And now I'm going to export this image as a PNG with a transparent background. I'm just going to switch it back down to 1x because it doesn't need to be that big. Now I'm back in my WordPress dashboard and I'm going to go to the media and add new so that I can add the new graphic that I just created. Now that that's added, let's go back to Elementor. And I'm going to go to that top section underneath the header. And I'm going to set a CSS class, CSS ID. And I'm going to name that CSS ID top. So this is going to act like an anchor point for the graphic that we just created. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom section, to the footer. And we're going to update footer. And now I'm going to add the image that we just added to the image library. So I'm going to add that scroll to top image. Now I'm going to add a custom URL, and it will be #TOP and update. Now when we click on this image, it will scroll the screen right up to the top. Okay, we're not quite done yet. Now let's go ahead and reposition the scroll to top button. And I'm going to create a new section with 3 columns. And I'm going to move this copyright image to the center. And I'm going to move the scroll to top to the right. And then we're going to add a black background. Now I'm going to adjust the column widths to push the scroll to top button all the way to the right. And I'm going to set that column width at 10%, and then the leftmost column to 10%. And this is looking better, but I want the scroll to top button to be all the way over. So I'm going to go back to that section, and I'm going to make sure that the content width is at full width, and that gives me the result that I want. Now we're going to add a motion effect, and we're going to make sure that this button is a sticky button at the bottom. So now you can see when we scroll up that the button remains fixed to the bottom of the screen. And one last touch, we're going to add a motion effect to the scroll to top button. So go back to Advanced, Motion Effects. I'm just going to remove the mobile option for now. And then we're going to go to Animation Entrance and then Fade. Fade in up, slow. And then we're going to increase the duration to 2500. Going to update. And now let's preview what that looks like. So I'm going to go back to the home page and start scrolling, and you'll see the button Enter In from the bottom. And let's try that one more time just for good measure. So now you can really see as you scroll down that the button slowly emerges from the bottom of the screen. Hey guys, just one more thing. If you haven't already, you need to sign up to become a Diva VIP member. What is a VIP member? Well, with Diva VIP membership, you're going to get exclusive offers, discounts, and sneak peeks into my new products at Digital Diva Design. And if you sign up, you will get an instant 20% savings off of your next order from my shop. Yes, that's right. I have a shop with tons of templates and everything for your designing needs. And I'm adding new templates and new things daily. So whether it's business cards, whether it's logo and branding, if you need InDesign templates, I've got them. And if you need Illustrator designs, I've got those as well. So please come on over and sign up. It is so easy. All you have to do is just enter in your name and your email. and you are good to go. Sign on up for the Diva VIP membership and go ahead and click on this coupon to get your 20% off savings from your next order at Digital Diva Design. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.